This video will guide you to backup, recover and transfer Windows virtual machines in Parallels Desktop, so let's get started. 1. Backup. Backups are a good habit, and in real-life terms, they're like regret pills. I'll go over several ways to back up your virtual machine data. Method 1. Snapshots. The built-in functionality you can use to back up a virtual machine without access to any external drives and with taking minimal hard disk space is to create a snapshot. This isn't entirely a separate backup, but more like a restore point for your VM. Turn on your virtual machine. Go to Actions menu that on the top menu and choose Take Snapshot. Enter a name to the snapshot, then click OK. Backup is finished. We can find the snapshots in Parallels Control Center. Right-click Parallels icon on the dock, then select Control Center. Click the Windows icon on the right. Here you can find the snapshots. If something goes wrong, you can also revert to one of the snapshots you took in the past. Method 2. Time Machine. Time Machine is used to back up your entire Mac. That means you don't have to do anything to back up your virtual machines if you have a Time Machine. We can find the virtual machine backup files on Time Machine Backup folder. Method 3. Manual Backup. This is the easiest and most reliable way of making a backup of your virtual machine. Right-click on Parallels Desktop icon in Dock. Choose Control Center. Right-click on your virtual machine. Choose Show in Finder. Once you locate your .pvm file, copy and paste it to your preferred backup location. Two. Recover. Method 1. Recover from snapshots. Right-click on Parallels Desktop icon in Dock. Choose Control Center. Click the Windows icon on the right. Right-click on a snapshot you want to revert, then select Go to Snapshot. Click Don't Save button, then your virtual machine revert to the snapshot saved. Method 2. Recover from Time Machine. Go to Time Machine Backup folder. Then open the folder Users. Your username. Parallels. Find the PVM file and copy it to Mac hard disk. Return to Parallels Desktop. Then click File in the top menu. Select Open. Find the PVM file just copied. Click Open. Turn on the VM. Sometimes you have to reboot your system to reinstall tools, sometimes you don't. I don't know why, but if you do, please leave a comment and tell me why. Method 3. Recover from manual backup. It's the same as Method 2, just copy or download the PVM file from USB disk, NAS or other backup media to local disk. Then quit Parallels and double-click the PVM file. 3. Transfer. Transfer a VM is a very simple thing. Just copy the PVM file to your new machine and open it with Parallels. The rest of the steps are just like restoring a VM. If you don't understand, please refer to the previous video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.